Стороне трассы идите!
Ukraine's military struck a base storing Iranian Shahed-type drones Russia uses for daily attacks against Ukraine near the village of Oktyabrski in Russia's Krasnodar Krai, the General Staff reported. Tehran has provided Moscow with thousands of Shahed kamikaze drones since the start of the all-out war. Russia attacked Ukraine with more than 1,300 such drones in September, launching them on a daily basis for an entire month. About 400 attack drones were reportedly stored at the Russian base. According to the statement, the attack was carried out by Ukraine's Navy and units of the Security Service of Ukraine. The subsequent detonation was recorded after the attack, the General Staff said. According to the results of objective control, an accurate hit on the target was recorded, the military said, without elaborating on the scale of the damage. The destruction of the Shahed drone storage base will significantly reduce the ability of the Russian occupiers to terrorize civilians in Ukrainian cities and villages, the General Staff added. As Warthog Defense reported, overnight on October 9th, a Ukrainian drone strike set ablaze a Russian weapons depot storing North Korean ammunition in Bryansk Oblast, Ukraine's General Staff reported. According to available information, missiles and artillery weapons, including those that came from North Korea as well as guided aerial bombs, were stored on the territory of the warehouse, it said.
Боже мой. Ой. Боже мой.
Туда, вправо, иди вправо, блядь, наоборот, вправо, вправо! Вправо, туда!
Ой. Ой.
В стороне трассы идите!
Battalion Achilles has demonstrated the power of waging war from above, with the relentless Ukrainian sky taking action. Destroyed BMP-3, Brahim, 2S-1 howitzer, Ural trucks, and damaged armored vehicle VPK Ural. A highly agitated participant in the SMO is demanding the immediate return of his money owed to him for his involvement in the fighting. He claims he does not follow the law, but instead lives by his own rules, warning that the authorities in the State Duma would be wise to resolve the issue fairly and without delay.
Hi everyone. I'm a special military operation participant and a combat veteran. I fought in Ukraine. I just don't get what the government wants from me. I can't understand why they're all on my case. But what's the deal? Came back from the war. Now what? Just discard me. This staircase, that's where I sleep. Where's my apartment? Where's everything? I fought. I have proof, if you don't believe me. What's going on here? What am I? A pushover or what? Tell me, government, what on earth are you doing? Or you want to throw me in jail as a special military operation participant? Well, go ahead, just throw me in jail. I carried so many guys on my shoulders, bleeding out. Lock me up then, if you're just gonna be so brazen about it. I came back from Ukraine, fought there, and now, is anyone gonna help me? No one will help me, because this isn't help. It's a joke. And now you're gonna lecture me about the law. Who are you? All right, come on then, lock me up. Who do you think you are? Go on, do it. Where's my money? The promised bonuses from the governor. Where is that money? Are you trying to cheat me or what? And you want me to follow the law and go to hell? Where's the money for fighting? For defending the land? What now? You're just gonna keep silent, you jerks? I'm not gonna obey anyone. I'll live by my own rules now. You relax over there in the Duma, counting your fingers.
A Russian BM-21 Grad MLRS tank and ABMP destroyed by the 68th Jaeger Brigade. Bumpy ride into Hurricane Milton on National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Aircraft Operations Center WP-3D Orion Miss Piggy to collect data to help improve the forecast and support hurricane research.
I'm gonna grab my phone real quick. Well, damn. Hit the sun. Holy crap. All right. Whew. Chance. Can you grab my wallet too? Thanks. Gotta keep these pockets zipped.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.